What if your most loyal customers have no idea you even have a loyalty program? Or worse, what if you've been thinking about starting one for years but assumed it was too complicated and expensive? That used to be reasonable. Loyalty programs were expensive, complex, and required hiring consultants. That's changed. Today I'll show you how to use AI to design, write, and launch a loyalty program without a consultant, big budget, or headaches. Before opening any AI tool, answer one question. What do you want customers to do more of? Buy more often? Spend more per visit? Refer friends? This shapes everything. The most common structures are points-based, spend $1, earn a point, punch card style, 10th item free, and tiered programs, better perks as customers spend more. A coffee shop fits punch cards. A boutique works better with tiers offering early sale access. The structure should match how your customers already behave. This is where AI helps immediately. Open ChatGPT, free at chat.openai.com, or Claude, free at claude.ai, and think out loud with it. Try. I run a small yoga studio with 200 active clients coming once or twice weekly. Should I use a points program or tiered membership? You'll get a solid comparison in 30 seconds, something that used to take a marketing consultant an hour. The honest limitation: AI doesn't know your specific customers. It provides a framework, but you apply your own judgment about what your regulars actually respond to. Once you pick a structure, you'll likely get stuck writing rules. Rules need to be clear, fair, and free of loopholes. AI excels here. Give it a specific prompt. Write rules for a points-based program for a small bakery. Customers earn 1 point per dollar spent. 100 points equals a $5 reward. Points expire after 12 months. Rewards can't be combined with other discounts. Write this in friendly plain English for a counter card. You'll have a clean draft in seconds. Then ask for versions for your website, a register sign, and a loyalty card. 3 formats, all consistent, in one conversation. Consistency matters. Confusing rules frustrate customers and quietly kill loyalty program goodwill. A sandwich shop could write everything needed for a simple 10 stamps free sandwich program, including fine print, and have it ready for a designer in 20 minutes. A loyalty program nobody knows about is wasted effort. Before launching, write 3 things: an email to existing customers, talking points for staff, and social media posts. Ask the AI to write all 3 in one conversation, specifying your tone. Keeping everything in one conversation maintains consistency and saves you from re-explaining your business repeatedly. Once designed and ready, you need software to run the mechanics. AI helps build the program. A platform handles tracking, notifications, and signups. A few options. Stamp Me is a digital punch card app with a free tier and paid plan starting at $59 monthly. Downside: customers must download another app, and many won't. The free plan also limits customer communication. Smile.io is strong for Shopify or online sales, handling points and tiers automatically, starting at $49 monthly. Downside: it's built for e-commerce, not walk-in businesses. 5 stars starts at $29 monthly and works with existing physical retail setups, handling customer communication actively. Each has trade-offs depending on whether you're in person, online, or both. A loyalty program used to be something small businesses dreamed about but never started. Setup cost too much, writing took too long, and the whole thing felt overwhelming. AI doesn't remove all friction. You still make real decisions and need a platform, but it removes most of what kept people stuck. Figuring the right structure, writing sensible rules, and producing launch copy now takes hours instead of months. Your regulars want to feel appreciated. This is finally a reasonable way to show them that.